Unraveling the mystery of negative causative passive voice in English. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the intricacies of English grammar, specifically, the negative causative passive voice. We'll focus on how we can use have and get to form negative sentences in the causative passive voice. Remember, understanding these rules will not only enhance your comprehension but also make your English sound more natural. So, let's dive right in. Before we move to negatives, let's quickly remind ourselves what the causative passive voice is. In the causative passive, we discuss actions that we arrange for others to do for us. We commonly use the verbs have and get in this form. For example, we can say, I had my car washed, or I got my hair cut. Now, let's see how we can form negative sentences in the causative passive voice. It's quite simple. We just add not, after, have, or get. Here are a couple of examples. I did not have my car washed. I didn't get my hair cut. We use the shortened form, didn't, more often in conversational English. The full form, did not, is more formal and is used in writing. Asking questions in the causative passive voice also follows a simple rule. We invert the subject and the auxiliary verb, do. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. Didn't you have your car washed? Didn't you get your hair cut? Now, let's do a quick practice session together. I'll say a sentence in the affirmative causative passive voice, and you try to turn it into a negative. She had her house cleaned. What's the negative form? It's, she didn't have her house cleaned. They got their dog trained. The negative? They didn't get their dog trained. And that's a wrap on forming negative sentences and questions with have and get in the causative passive voice. By practicing these structures, you'll quickly find that you're able to use them naturally in your conversations. As always, keep practicing and remember, every step forward is a step towards mastering the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.